Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best bullet blender that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Ninja Fit. Impeccable performance and quality construction earn the Ninja Fit the top spot in our review. The mid-range power of 700 watts hits the sweet spot of satisfying all your blending needs without going full-on pro. The Fit passed our blending test with flying colors from drinks to dips. You are particularly fond of the exceptional quality and design of the dual blending cups, alongside the matching leak-proof lids. As for what we weren't fond of, there wasn't much. The one improvement we would recommend is incorporating an on-off switch. The current design requires you to press down the jar to operate, making it impossible to multitask. Moving on at number 4, we have NutriBullet Magic Bullet. Over the years, the NutriBullet Magic Bullet has built up a cult following and is one of the most recognizable bullet blenders on the market. After testing the Magic Bullet, we see what the hype is all about. It boasts a classic design, great performance, and an affordable price tag. The multiple blending cups are ideal for food prep, making this an excellent option for getting dinner ready when entertaining guests. The drawback is the low wattage motor. This design increased our blending time when attempting to reach the desired consistency. It does come at a cost, but it also comes with an array of additional accessories. At number 3, we have NutriBullet RX. The NutriBullet RX has a lot of tricks up its sleeve. This blender comes with a hardbound recipe book that features quizzes corresponding to color-coordinated recipes. While this is certainly a perk, the NutriRX doesn't need a fancy book to convince us of its worth. This bullet blender can produce hot or cold recipes, making it highly versatile. We loved how its high-power pulverized ingredients with minimal effort and created the creamiest smoothies of all the products you tested. While we always appreciate versatility, there's a learning curve for how to operate the hot and cold functions and how all the gigantic pieces fit together. At number 2, we have Syncred Countertop Blender. Don't be fooled by the compact size. The Syncred Countertop Blender packs a punch. During your blending test, it produced exceptionally fine coffee grounds and velvety smoothies. The max fill lines were easy to read, and the blender was even easier to operate. The portable, slim design takes up virtually no kitchen counter space. This design means you can leave it out, so it's more accessible for busy mornings. Your main complaints with the Syncred are that it's not the most powerful option and the blending cup capacity is minimal. However, if you want a compact option that whips up a mean beverage, you'll be pleased with what the Syncred has to offer. And finally at number 1. Oster MyBlend. The portable cup is good for those on the go, while the capacity is ideal for a single serving. While the operation process is straightforward, getting the Oster to blend was another story. The blender turned on by pushing and turning the blending cup into the motor base, which was somewhat finicky. You often had to try multiple times to get the blender to work. The sporty design is also not the most attractive option. That being said, the Oster will serve those who want a personal-sized blender. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.